Before oceans, before air, there was impact. One strike, and a world is rewritten. From ruin comes order. Earth was not a home, it was a forge.
Gravity stitched the fragments into a companion. The moon cooled, and the chaos began to slow. The moon pulled at Earth, teaching it rhythm.
Every impact remixed the planet. Heavy metal sank, building a heart of iron. Air was born from the planet's breath. A sky formed, but it was poison and storm.
Water returned, not as ocean, first as breath.
For ages, it rained. Then, slowly, stones stopped burning.
The first oceans were born in quiet bowls. The planet was formed, but its story had just begun.
Then, slowly, stones stopped burning. Then, slowly, stones stopped burning.
A world of water, replacing a world of fire.
It began as dust, spinning into destiny.
Gravity chooses winners. Collision after collision, until chaos becomes structure. A planet is built, one strike at a time. The sky was never quiet. Heavy metals sank, forging Earth's heart. The first skin of Earth was fragile. Air arrived, but it was not yet breath. Energy danced across the newborn sky. Slowly, stone learned to hold.
Water stopped fleeing and began to remain.
A sea was born from endless rain.
Then, slowly, stones stopped burning.
A sea was born from endless rain.
Land appeared as scars that hardened into ground.
Collision after collision, until chaos becomes structure. The planet moved from the inside out. In the darkest water, chemistry began to dream. A world had formed. Now, it needed time. The bombardment peaked, and the planet endured.
The bombardment peaked, and the planet endured.
A sky of dust swallowed the sun.
Every strike reset the clock. The ground opened, then sealed again. For ages, the world boiled under rain. And then, water began to win.
A mirror appeared, the planet's first calm.
Water learned the shape of Earth by cutting it. single sea erased 1,000 scars. The moon pulled, and the oceans answered. Land rose, violent and new. Fire became stone in a single breath. The planet moved, even when it looked still.
Beneath the waves, another world waited.
Beneath the waves, another world waited. Not magic, just motion, heat, and time.
A world had formed, ready for its next miracle.
Fire made the world. Water taught it to rest. Land rose, one violent breath at a time. Land rose, one violent breath at a time.
The ocean floor became Earth's new skin.
Even through poison clouds, light found a way.
Ground appeared, not green, just real.
The planet learned to build by crushing itself.
The sea became a laboratory.
Heat and water met and refused to be silent.
The sky began to change, from fury to pattern.
Water sculpted the planet with endless patience. Stone began to record time.
A world no longer under fire. The planet still stormed, but it was learning balance.
In hidden water, complexity began.
A stable world is the first step toward life.
The planet didn't become peaceful. It became consistent.
Light returned, not as a flash, as a promise.
Water mapped the land, vein by vein. Water mapped the land, vein by vein.
Stone broke down, so new ground could form.
Where sunlight dies, Earth still speaks. Heat, water, minerals, a recipe that never stops.
Not life yet, but the doorway to it.
A rhythm steady enough for something new. The air shifted from choking to changing.
A world prepared for life's first whisper.
The planet still had fire, but it no longer ruled.
Somewhere unseen, the next chapter begins.
A planet formed, ready to become a home.
And then life will try.